Okay, so research. I'm gonna research code of laws.
Research started.
The happiness, I need to maintain this happiness balance as well. Look at this. So the citizens should be happy. If they become very unhappy, this happiness level will fall, and I'll have emigration. So people will start leaving my city, right? So many interesting things to take care of, right? Taxation. I need profit, I need more money in than out. So look at this, right? Economy, politics and stuff. And also one of my armies, yeah. I'm sending them out in the field so that they fight the enemy outside of the city. And in terms of the city, look at this. So I have this type of housing, right? This is the biggest private house. It's like type level 1, let's call it this way. Then I have this type of like house, type 2, like a few stories high. Look at this, look at this. A few stories high. And then
A legion from this city has won a victory for the Empire.
right, has won a victor for the Empire. Well done, let's get you back into the city. I can later conquer some cities. Also,
The Code of Laws has been researched.
Code of
Hail,
Laws,
Governor.
great.
What would you like to research
Let's
next?
go for cartography.
Research started.
Of course, researching the right thing at the right time is very good. So when I take care of all the
Governor,
needs of
food
this
levels in our
insula,
granaries are dangerously low.
then my large insula, like small insula, medium and large, then I can turn it into a domus. Look at this. This is type 3 private housing against small domus, medium domus and the big domus, and then we have the type 4 and type 5. In here we only see type 3 so far, and of course they have some needs as well. If I take care of this, the house will upgrade. But for this mission I just need to build 2 domi, yeah. So I'll just increase another domus, the size of this one, and my population is almost what it needs to be.
Priests worry that Venus, the goddess of love, is less than enamored with the lack of attention she gets in this city.
Ooh, see, Venus isn't happy, so... hey, but we don't have Venus, so yeah. Mithras, yeah. So we need to take care of all of these things. Look. Citizens love the gardens. Do some gardening, you see. Yeah, it increases the morale and stuff. So yeah, this is so cute. Look at this. Their bed, their tables, chairs. Look at this. Bedrooms with the kitchen. So yeah, I just need a few things to...
Cartography has been researched.
I'll build another hospital. So I have one hospital on this side of the city. I'll build another one here.
Governor, your mission is a success.
A new assignment. Good.
Hail, Tribune! The threat to our northern border from Carthage has passed, and the Senate is delighted with you. They will appoint someone to take charge of Mediolanum from here on. You are to join me on campaign in Hispania.
Hispania, yeah? So, like, military terms, etc. So this is my next thing, but I'll just leave it, okay? Civilopedia, this is very cool as well. You can learn, like, you can learn about the way of the Roman life in terms of vocabulary and stuff. This is precious. Oh my god, it's so precious, like all of this info, right? Ain't that cool? See, this is about the housing. Oh my god, heating, how they used to heat their houses in Rome. Okay, that's it. So you can just have fun with it. CivCity Rome, this is the name of the game. So I'm